ABC Speaking Academy.
Today let's have a speaking practice using daily. Use English sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. I am sad. I am sad. I love my mom. I love my mom. I can jump. I can jump. I see a bird. I see a bird. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. I have a dog. I have a dog. I can run fast. I can run fast. I play outside. I play outside. I love my dog. I love my dog. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I have a bike. I have a bike. I read books. I read books. I am kind. I am kind. I see the moon. I see the moon. I go to school. I go to school. I love my dad. I love my dad. I have a ball. I have a ball. I drink water. I drink water. I like grapes. I like grapes. I like to draw. I like to draw. I watch TV. I watch TV. I see the sign. I see the sign. I like to swim. I like to swim. I can write. I can write. I read stories. I read stories. I am a good friend. I am a good friend. I can sing. I can sing. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I drink milk. I drink milk. I go to bed. I go to bed. I play with my toys. I play with my toys. I see the stars. I see the stars. I have a toy. I have a toy. I have a crayons. I have a crayons. I am funny. I am funny. I have a book. I have a book. I like pizza. I like pizza. I buy a shoes. I buy a shoes. I play soccer. I play soccer. I like to dance. I like to dance. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. I love my brother. I love my brother. She is very kind. She is very kind. I play games. I play games. I see a plane. I see a plane. I have a pencil. I have a pencil. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I see a car. I see a car. I like to paint. I like to paint. I love my sister. I love my sister. I am brave. I am brave. I had a backpack. I had a backpack. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. The house is big. The house is big. Thanks for listening until our next speaking adventure.